everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a reverse dip with a little bit of a Sandra twist. I'm going to do 20 by 20, so I'm going big. Got the white acrylic already on here. I'm just going to give it a quick torch and get the bubbles out. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And of course, everybody that keeps coming back and all your wonderful comments and thumbs up, keep them coming. I really appreciate it. Alrighty. There's going to be lots of bubbles on here from doing the reverse dip anyhow. Just wanted to get it started with a nice clean slate. Alright. I'm just going to do a mixture of colors, kind of a Mod Podge, and put some plastic down. And we're going to pull it up and see what we get. But before I put that plastic down, I'm actually going to lay some yarn down. Put the plastic down, hold it with my hand a little bit and pull those strings through. See if it changes the effect at all. I have not tried this, so you guys get to do the test run and see. See if I'm crazy, if I've lost my marbles or not. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to first start out with probably some greens. Yep, so I'm going to do some Arteza, the pale green. Now my acrylics, a lot of them are, I got it hiding behind here, Arteza. I love the Arteza paints. And my sweetie, he hijacked my channel once. Maybe I'll get him to put it up on the end of this video for you to watch it. I asked him when I was babysitting my grandkids to please put up a video for me. I had a couple of them stored in the bank, so to speak. And he decided to come in here and do his own painting. So I will actually ask Greg to put it up at the end of this video. Stick around and watch it. It's quite cute. But he owed me big time, so he ordered me some really nice Arteza paints, which are really nice to use. So my Artezas, let's put that back there. That was a really pretty painting, by the way. I should show it off. This is one of my Dutch pours with gold and burnt sienna with reds and yellow. Turned out awesome. Okay. So my Arteza paint is 50% acrylic paint, 50% my mixing medium, which is Pearl Essence by Sargent Art mixing medium. This is the best stuff you can buy. You can find it on Amazon. There'll actually be a link in my descriptions. If you click on the link through Amazon and order it, I'll get a tiny commission on a gift card to replenish some of my stock. So if you feel like shopping, go ahead and do that through my link for Amazon. All my bottles, my stir sticks, my cordless airbrush, I love to call it my little compressor. Best $60 I ever spent on Amazon. I just love this little guy. And of course my butane torch you just saw me use. All that kind of stuff will be in the links for you to check it out if you decide you want to treat yourself something. Tongue-tied there. Okay, I'm going to start putting some paint down and quit talking. And again, this is just going to be a Mod Podge of colors throughout. And we'll see what we get. Now, this is the Chartreuse green. It's a really pretty greenish yellow color. And if you didn't guess, I'm probably going for some kind of a flower pattern. But you never know what you're going to get in a reverse dip. Just need more of that yellow green. There we go. And this one is the emerald green. Okay. And let's do some Arteza's Phthalo Green. Now I've mentioned in a couple of my previous videos, for those of you that keep coming back to watch, thank you again. But I mentioned Tammy Anderson Art in a couple of my videos. She's trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. She's got several thousand right now, and she's not that far away. So if any of you watching right now have not seen Tammy Anderson's art, go to her page, hit subscribe, help her out. She's an awesome lady, and all of the stuff that I've seen her do so far, she's an excellent teacher. So please check her out if you haven't already. And no, I haven't seen her do this. She might have. I haven't seen all of her videos, but I haven't seen her do this. Okay, so now let's go with some more color. Let's go with Scarlet Red. And how about some of the Arteza's Mauve Pale? Now again, these are all mixed with my mixing medium, which is the Pearlescent by Sargent's mixing medium. Can't rave about it enough. It's awesome. This might come out looking like a graffiti painting. Who knows? Dioxazine Purple. Used it in the last video I just did. Love this purple. Okay, let's get some blues down here too. Liquitex Turquoise Blue. Oop, it's not really empty. I'm just holding it on a slant. I like this color, so put a little hint of it everywhere. Should we do some bright pink as well? Yeah, let's do Fluorescent Pink. This one is also a Liquitex. Okay, do we got enough color down? I think we need to do another blue. Let's do my Persian blue. It's not Prussian, it's actually called Persian. It's more like a periwinkle, I think. Okay. Got yellows and stuff down there already. Let's go with Fire Red. I didn't do that one yet, did I? It looks the same as that. Maybe I did. Okay. Pink Blossom, which is a light pink. There we go. Let's see how we did with colors. Okay, I'm going to lay some string down. This one's just a little one, so I'm just going to go right here. Leave a tail for me to pull out. Just going to press it down a little bit so it doesn't move on me till I'm ready. This one's a big one. Start up here, wave it around in a circular S kind of pattern. Okay. I can't wait to see if this actually works. Like I hope it's going to. There we go. Okay, last one. I'm going to put it right here. Okay. Now for the plastic. Which way is going to fit? This way, I think. The best bet. Laying the plastic over the painting. Trying not to have too much in the way of wrinkles. Okay. Get the air out. Now luckily, I can see the strings through this plastic. Didn't think that one through. What if I'd used black or something? I wouldn't be able to see it. Oh, it just would have made it that much more interesting, right? Okay, let's get that air out of there. Now I'm just lightly pressing. Not really spreading in any direction in particular, just pressing so that I get all the paint moving around. Okay. Now my first string down is the first one coming out. And I can't see it. There it is, right there. Okay, well we definitely got paint coming out of there, so that's a good sign. Okay. That's two of them. And right now, silently, I'm doing my praying that this is just going to add such a cool effect to the painting. Okay. Let's pull this one out. Okay, all the strings are out. Now the moment of truth. Will this be a huge success that I'm going to want to hang it on my living room wall? Let's see. You might get a first peek because I'm pulling this corner first. And this corner. And I'm going to grab this corner. And this corner. Going slowly but surely. Whoop. Something's going on there. Okay. Wow, that's a very, very colorful painting. That to me kind of looks like a butterfly. I think I'm going to have to work with this here. Let's see. I like what happened with the strings and that. It definitely blended like rainbow colors. Let's give it a torch. Sorry, my hands are covered in paint. One sec. Okay, first let's give it a torch. Get rid of all those bubbles. There is a lot. I know that seems like I'm torching it a lot, but there's so many bubbles. I'm just trying to get as much as I can out of there. And my torch flame is pretty small right now. But I'm definitely seeing a butterfly. I just need to add the center. This is gorgeous. Do I mess with it, you guys? I never know what to do. Yeah, I need to do something. Okay, you know what? I'm going to grab my chain. And I'm going to see if I can pull any more of this color through it's going to go straight down to about there. Okay, let me give it another quick little torch. Just in the center here. And grab my paintbrush. Just the little end of my paintbrush is what I'm doing, not an actual brush. Because I think if I pulled some white in there, and pulled some white in here. This really does look so cool. You know what? I'm leaving it as is. I'm not messing with it anymore. I'm hoping you can see this because I don't want to pick it up. I don't want to pour any of the paint off. I just love it. It's got a real fancy kind of feathery look up top here. And then I did kind of a tail effect down here. So it's definitely an abstract butterfly, but it is gorgeous. And when it dries, it's going to be that much prettier. I'm so happy with this. All right, everybody. Thanks very much for watching. Please hit subscribe, share with your friends, tell them to come check out my channel. I would love you for it. And be sure to stick around and watch this next video because it is really funny. Greg hijacked my channel while I was away. Please stick around and watch. Thanks, everyone.